Welcome back again. Series of lecture on LaTeX. In the last lecture, we have seen how to create or how to make a simple document in LaTeX. Now we will see the same code how we can run on online websites like overleaf.com and in some another editor like Tech Studio. So all we need to do that just double click on it. We will be going back to the root code. So we can copy it. First select Ctrl A and then Ctrl C. Then go to the website overleaf.com. So I am logged in with my Google ID. So here we go. Yes. Now, so these are the files I have already saved here. So because I want to run the new code, so let us go to new project and then blank project, and then type the name of project. Suppose let us write here first doc. So this is a create. Click on create. Then it will be creating a new project name the first doc. So it is loading. Yes, now we have something here. Okay, so this is the panel what we are seeing in the this whole window is divided into three parts. In the extreme left part here, this is for setting, and we can see the folder and files here, and like here. So here we can compile. You see here we can make it recompile on, auto compile or off, and then here it is the code. So let us make it bigger. So document class article, it is already taking. So when we are just creating some project, this much minimum item you are going to get. But what we need we need that we need our document to be run here. But the thing is that if you see, the first line is document class article, and this one is some package. So let us remove it. We don't need it as of now. So in LaTeX, nothing is recommended to be written forcefully or manually. So there is everything is based on command. So title, the title of the command, what is already we have given. First doc, this is the name of the title of the document, and this is the author name. By default it is capturing from my email ID vk.third-party1@gmail.com, and this is taking the month March 2021, and this is the main part, begin document and end document, and this is the section. This section command used to create a section within document, and this make title will produce the things like title, author, and date. So let us compile it first. So let us see. So here what we see, this is a compiled document. So already it is coming the title, my name, and then this one, and then one, that is section number 1, and then the section name. Okay, so I want to compile my code. So I have selected it, and let us paste here. So here something is written, we cannot find any subsection. Of course there is nothing like section or some section, so that's what it is written here. Okay, so let us compile it. Because I have selected off, so it is not compiling. So if I put on, then it will recompile automatically whenever I am typing here something. So let us see here. Okay, so here we see the same thing is appearing as output, and also we can see here we can make a new folder, and here we can upload any file from our drive. So here we can take new file, something like this, and here upload is option is there. So I'm just cancelling it. Okay, so from here we can delete, here we can rename the file name and all. Okay, so the file name of this one is main.tex. By default it is taking. Okay, so if I want to see it in full screen, so I can just click there. So if I want to see the folder and all, then we can see here. So this one, if you click here, then it will go to the place where all projects are there. So these are the files what I have created. So I can select this one again, and then see what is there. Then let us see how we can share this file to someone. So this is the thing, this is what we can see. Now if I click here, then share this project. So link sharing is off, only invited user can view this project. Okay, so share with collaborator. So we need to type the email ID. Suppose I am typing my email ID. Okay, so what that person, the collaborator, can do. So from here I can give the permission. He can edit, or it is read only file. So if I give the permission, can edit, and then I will say share. So invite not yet accepted. So thing is that the mail has been sent to that person, so he or she has to accept that one, and that in that case that person can edit it. Okay, so if we let us go back, and then we see how we can download from here. Suppose this is my file, then we can copy this one, and if we can download this one, and if we can archive this one, we can delete this one. So if I click here, so I can download. So this is a zip file. Okay, so this zip file, I'm just opening it. So here main.tex file is there. Okay, fine. So one more thing, if I want a PDF file to send some PDF file of this this file, so we can also share from this portal itself. Okay, for this let us see what is output. Output is this one, and then just click here, so it will give us a PDF file. So here we see the PDF file of the output. Okay, so this is how we can run our code on online portal. So next thing is that if we want to use the same code in another editor. So thing is that when we are using CTEC, I already told that CTEC is compiled, is made up of MikTeX, WinEdit, and DVI viewer, and so on. So many components were there. So we need not to install MikTeX again and again. We need to install just editor. So Text Studio is one of among them. So we should go to textstudio.org, and then we can download. We can just click over here on download now button, and then it will download automatically. It is roughly 162 MB. So I am just cancelling it. I've already downloaded and installed. So we can once you have installed this one, then you can search here Tech Studio, just open it. So it will come like this. So here it is opening Tech Studio. It takes a few seconds to open. So here it is. This is a interface of this editor. So from left top corner, we can see there is a plus button. So we can just click on it, and we can have a blank file. So like this. So if at all I want to run this same code, so I can copy and select and copy, and then we can paste here the same code. Okay, so this is how it is looking. So unlike in WinEdit, we need to just run, and then it will ask for saving the document, and then it will produce output. Here if you see, so in Tech Studio, we first need to save this document. So click on save button, so it will ask where we want to save. So let us save it with name document. Okay, so it is saved now. So here are options. There are options, two options. If at all I want to only compile, or I want to compile and see the output, there are two arrow. So if I click here, then I will see what is the output of the code. If I click here, then I will just compile. I won't be able to see what is the output. So let us compile and see the output. So it is working. Compilation is going on. So let us see the output. So here we see in parallel everything we are getting that in the right hand side of this screen, we are able to see the output of this file. Here externally I have opened this file, so you can see this is the output. The same output is coming what we have got in WinEdit and in the overleaf as well. Okay, so there are something in the just like in the WinEdit, we have configured this one, just like changing font and all by going in the option menu and everything. Okay, so the similar setting we can do here. We can click, go to option, and then configure this. Just wait, it is hanging. Okay, so this is general, and then the commands is there. So there are several way of compilation. So we usually use PDF LaTeXify. We do LaTeXify. Okay, so here built in. So PDF viewer, we can change, compile and view. Here we have just compiled and view, and default compiler is what? PDF LaTeX, what we have seen. And if you want to change in editor, so I have selected the 14 point font. 14 point means that what we are seeing when we are typing at that place in the editor. Okay, and the font family is Calibri. Okay, so this is there is many things which we can change. So preview is a preview with PDF LaTeX. So many changes, language and checking, and then completion. So there are so many things which can be customized here. Okay, so this is how we can run the same code in another editor. The similar thing can be done with if we use some more editor. Okay, so popular editor, as I have already told, that they are Tech Studio and WinEdit. Of course, Tech Studio is free always, but WinEdit we need to purchase. But in any way, if you are using CTech, we need not to worry about the membership or purchasing of Vinayrit. Fine. So now let us see. Let us take another file, another new file, and see how we can type a big expression and complicated expression. Just we used to type in mathematics. Okay, so begin class document. So this time I'm going to take another class, AMS art, AMS art article. Okay, AMS art. So the first line will be this in every document. The thing is that what will be changing, or what may change, is this class. Sometimes this is article, sometimes book, sometimes letter, sometimes AMS art, like this. Okay, so and next the main code where what we are going to write in between begin document and end document. So begin document and end document. Fine. So whatever we are going to write after compilation, this will be appearing as output. Okay, but before we are going to write some mathematical expression, there we need some add-on packages. So add-on packages can be added like using the command use package, and then we can type here the package name like AMS math. This is a package. Another package is graphics. AMS math package is for mathematical symbols and all. This is used, and this is graphics used for when we import some from figure from outside of LaTeX, then we need to use this one, and the graphics command, graphics package, and then AMS and sim. So this is for symbol. Some symbols are stored in this file. So here we are using this one. So there are so many packages which are there. Some of them I'm writing here. So in preamble we have included this month's add-ons. Okay. So next, when we are using this AMS art command, AMS art document class, we can write the title command. So this will be in the preamble. So let us write some title here. So title is mathematical expressions. So let us be this will be the title, and then we can write the author, who is the author of this document. Suppose my name is Virendra, and then we can also write here the address, and then okay, and then if I want date here, so I can write date. So if I keep it blank, then nothing will be appearing. If I want some date, then I can type here. Okay. Okay. So let us see here. Here in the between begin document and end document, again we are not going to type the title, author, and address, anything. Here we need to just type make title. So title will be coming here. So let us run. Let us see what are they. So let us save here, and then document, and let us keep the name maths and then save it. Let us see if everything is fine, then it will produce. So there is some mistake here. So what is the mistake here? So in line 1.6 is there. So in address there is some mistake. So what is the mistake? In that line we can see, but where is line 1.6? That need to be known. So that we can know. Just cross it and then just click over here, this line. So line number 6 is there. So there is a mistake, and we know what is the mistake. E was extra. So this is how we can address or we can rectify our mistake. So let us compile again and let us see what is coming. So I hope everything is fine as of now. So this is fine. Okay. So mathematical expression, and then Virendra is coming, and then Ramanujan College is here. Okay. Okay. So if I type full address here, then University of Delhi. Okay. So just like previously I told that you just right click over here and then you can always rectify it. Okay. So this is how we can do. Okay. So let us okay. So in any document, if you are going to type some mathematical expression, so we need to have some section. Suppose a section. In section, let us write something. Suppose introduction. Okay, fine. So introduction, and then again execute it, run it. Okay. So here we have a section. Okay. So this section is number 1. This section is number 1, and then a number 1 section, and then we want to write some mathematical expression. So keep one thing in mind that mathematical expression always written in dollars. Dollar, you can use this dollar, single dollar, or we can use double dollars in pair, or we can use, there are several ways to type this one, backslash, square bracket, and backslash, square bracket. So many things are there. So mathematical expression can be of any form. Suppose we want to type alpha, so just for type alpha, backslash alpha, alpha, alpha. And if I want a beta, so suppose plus a beta, so bet, beta, plus if you want gamma, so plus gamma. Okay, so the same thing we can type here if at all you want this one. So the difference between this and this one is that this will give expression, mathematical expression in line, in the line, just like that in floating. Okay, so this will give us a mathematical expression, this mathematical expression in the middle of the line. Okay, the same thing will be produced with the help of this command. So let us see the difference. Okay, so here we see the difference. All right, so this is a inline expression, mathematical expression, and these two are producing the same thing. Okay, and this address will be always at the end when we are using the command, the document class EMSart. Okay, so but now the question is that if you want the number, equation number here, so we need to type begin and then equation, equation, and then end equation. So there is a mistake. So let us see. Let us So the same thing I'm typing here. Let us see what is there. Okay. So here we have equation number is also coming in the left hand side. So but many places we want this equation number in the right hand side. For that we need to change something here. And also, since the font is looking a little small, so we can write here 12, because by default the output font is 10 point, and we can write 10 pt 10 point. And for your information, and 1 point is equals to 0.3527 mm. Okay, so as of now we are saying this this is the font, but when we make it 12 point, so it will enhance the size. So let us see. So this is how we can see. Okay, so one more thing, if you want to this equation number to be displayed in the right hand side, so we can just write here REQNO, right equation number. So in the right hand side we will be seeing equation number is displayed. So here, okay, so this is how we can type mathematical expression in LaTeX. But so many expressions are there, mathematical symbol and all. Here you see. So if I click here, then it will disappear, and then if you want to see them again, we can click here. So there are many things which we can use. Okay, so for a fraction we can write just like in dollar. Suppose if you are writing frac, so we are writing suppose a by beta. Okay, so this will give us a fraction a by beta. Okay, so here we have this expression. Okay, fine. So there are so many things in mathematical expression. If you want some enumerate kind of thing or itemize kind of thing, that is also possible. Okay, so here in the, if you want, I want put here in this line, then this is very much possible. Okay, and something I want to write here. So if something like this here, head suppose A, so let us click run it, and then let us see what is there. Okay, so we have enumerated, numbered this one 1 2 3, and we are writing something. So in the inline also we can write a some mathematical expression. Fine. And there are so many commands, and suppose if you want to write sum of something, so just put them in dollar. Okay, so here we can from here also we can just click and see what are the codes for that one. And this is for diagram specifically. Once we click on some code, suppose we are writing here and some code, so this will 2 by 2. So this is the case. We will see it later on. Okay, so I want sum, so sum is there, and then underscore, and then suppose n equals to 1, and then exponent is used for the upper kind of thing, that is a exponentiation. So suppose I'm writing 100. Okay, so sum over n from n to 100, and then suppose we are writing something 2 raised to power and n. Okay, so let us see what is the how it is coming. So you see, from n equals to 100 and 2 raised to power n. Okay, so if you want to write something, suppose a, so we can write here a, and then run and see. So this is how beautifully they are coming, and margin is very much adjusted, and we can mix up them with if you want this kind of something, so we can mix with them like this. Okay, so I'm just copying it here so that one has an understanding how both can be mixed, text and mathematical expression also. So here we go. You see everything is appearing very nice. And now I'll tell how to adjust the margin here. Okay, so because the margin is something in the left hand side is more margin is there, in the right hand side also more margin is there, and in the top and bottom there are so much margins are left. So for that we need to use a command here. We need to write a command, a package called geometry package. So we use package, and then we need to write geometry, use package geometry, use package geometry, and then we need to give its optional argument. Argument is that left margin LMARGIN. So we can write them in centimeter or inches. Suppose we want in inches or in centimeter. So suppose here I am writing is 3 centimeter. Okay, so 3 centimeter margin I am leaving in the left, and right margin equals to, suppose I'm leaving the same thing, 3 centimeter. If I want inch, then I will write here IN. Okay, so let us write in 3 centimeter. Okay, then bottom margin and top margin also we can set B margin. B margin means bottom margin. Bottom margin, suppose I want 2 centimeter. Okay, and then again what is left? Top margin, T margin. Okay, T margin, that is top margin. Suppose we are leaving only 2 centimeter. So let us run if it is giving us something. Okay, so you see now the beauty. It is expanding the text. Okay, and margin has been reduced in the left, top, and bottom, and all. So everything is coming, and very nicely it is managing automatically. Fine. So this is how we can type a simple document where mathematical expression and as well as text are involved. In inline text we can write mathematics like this. Suppose this one I want to write, so I will just copy here and let us paste here. Okay, suppose I'm writing consider this one, consider the expression. Okay, consider the expression. So if I run, this will come in line along with the text. Okay, so here we are saying another way of producing the similar kind of expression is just backslash and then parenthesis and backslash parenthesis. It is also comes in always in pairs. So this one, this is what I have written. Suppose I'm using this one equals to, and then I'm writing this one, and then suppose x comma y comma z. I'm writing like this, and suppose I want alpha, then alpha is also there, I can write. So this will also produce an inline mathematical expression. Okay, so you see how beautifully they are coming. And height, once the height of this one increased, so it is automatically adjusting. Okay, so this is how we can produce inline mathematical expression. So in this lecture I will stop right now for now, and in the next lecture we will discuss and we will see how to prepare or type a research paper in LaTeX. Thank you.